Well, this is Jared Lafitte. We're really excited to work with you to get you set up here on your Mandy AI account. So first off, this is your account. We'll give you the credentials, of course, in the email to log in. But once you're logged in, this is what you'll see. This is, of course, your profile over here. You can edit it if you want, and do things like add on, picture or an image or anything you want to do to kind of customize it, and make it your own. But the first page is the dashboard page. And once you're here, of course, this has nothing here because there hasn't been any surveys. But once an actual survey is done and responses come in, then you're going to see a picture, a snapshot of what you sent, how many messages went out, response rate, and then Mandy index. And over here, there's a tooltip that will kind of indicate what the Mandy index includes, which basically has to do with response rate, how positively people are feeling in response to your question, their future likelihood of engagement based on your question. So a lot of AI driven insights there. So to start the actual survey process, you'll go to people here first, and then here you'll be able to either add a person individually. So, first name, last name, email, and then also phone number if you want to send question by text message. So, most of our clients send questions by both email and text message. You can send it by just text message or just email or both. Now, you can also add a person or add a group by simply uploading a list. So let's say you wanted to, import a CSV file or a list of people in a certain group. You can do it that way as well. Now, another item that you can do for people once you've uploaded a certain list of 5 or 10 people or however many you want to upload is go over here to Tools, and then you'll look at Tags. So under tags, you'll have the ability to add in a certain group or bucket to categorize people under. Now, I just kind of arbitrarily added sales team, and you can, of course, build your own tag, whatever you want. And that way, once you add a person, you can simply put that person into a tag, into a bucket. And one person can also be involved in multiple tags. So let's say a person is involved in the sales team, but they're also in the marketing team, for example. You can do it that way. Now, once you've added in your people and tags, then this is where your work of putting the survey together will begin. So you'll go to Survey under Tools, and then you can click Add New. So here, it's a pretty simple 3-step process. You'll simply ask the question you want to ask, whatever you want to ask your group, and you can send the survey by people, so click the individual people you want it to go to, or by tags, so you can click the certain groups you want the survey to go to, so a survey just for the sales team or just for the marketing team. And that will happen here where you'll select the people, and then here you'll actually schedule and send it. So I'll kind of do an example. Let's see, what should we address at our sales meeting? Send survey by tags. Obviously we don't have any tags here. You can add a tag if you want. Would you like to match on all of the tags or any of the tags selected? You could do all the tags or any, and you can simply select the tags you want it to go to. And then this is where you would actually um, well, we don't have any tags here. Once we create a tag, then we'll go to the next portion, which is schedule or send a survey. Let me actually add a tag real quick just to have one in the queue. I'll just put sales team back in. All right. So that's there. I'm going to go back to surveys, add new, ask your question, address at the sales meeting, send survey by tags, and then I'll click the tag I want it to go to. And then this is when you actually schedule or send the survey. And so you can either send it now by SMS or email or schedule it for another time. All right, and so once that's done, then as responses begin to come in, you can look in 2 places to see the actual responses. So under My Reports, where you'll be able to select each campaign or each different survey you've sent, and see a report on the survey itself. And the nice thing about this page is you have a button here called Help Me Take Action. And under Help Me Take Action, we are actually going to generate a customized action step for you based on the survey. So that's another thing that sets us apart from, someone like SurveyMonkey or Qualtrics or Office Vibe is we actually generate customized action steps for you to take and for you to bring back to your team if you wish. And then also you'll be able to go here under dashboards to see under the dashboard to see the survey itself. So it'll populate here under campaign. You'll be able to have a quick look at things like messages sent, responses, that sort of thing. So that's kind of a quick breakdown of what to expect from the Mandy platform. We look forward to having you try it out and to seeing if we can find some value for you. So anyway, thanks a lot, Cole. Looking forward to working with you.